Hand me the 85.
Are you sure you don't want the 50 for this shot?
Actually, I think I'll use the 16 to 35. It's never let me down.
Welcome to our How to Shoot series, where, like a good golf caddy, not that I know anything about golf, I help you unlock the power of every lens in your camera bag. Whether you're exploring primes, zooms, telephotos, or specialty lenses, this hub will help you understand them, compare them, and shoot confidently. I'm Brenda Bergreen, and in this series, you'll learn how to see differently, compose intentionally, and take photos that tell your story. Each video dives into a single lens or category, showing you how to use it, how it compares to other lenses, and practical composition tips that you can apply immediately. You'll see why wide angles exaggerate space, primes make you rethink framing, and telephotos compress distance. Specialty lenses let you get creative in new ways. Some videos are comparisons, like the 35mm versus the 50mm, or the battle of the wide primes, to help you make buying decisions or understand different perspectives. Others focus on one lens and how to get the most out of it. Remember, your lens is just a tool. It's your vision that brings the story to life. So pick the lens or the comparison that interests you most. Jump in and learn at your own pace. Explore primes, zooms, telephotos, and more. If there's something you don't see, hit me up in the comments. Every lens teaches you something different. So try, experiment, and discover which each one can do. It's time to see differently, create intentionally, and learn with every lens. Let's dive in. I'll see you in the first video.